Authorities in Myanmar will release 23,184 prisoners from jails across the country today under a New Year amnesty, a Prisons Department spokesman said. Though few, if any, democracy activists arrested since a February 1 coup were expected to be among them. According to Reuters, today is the first day of the traditional New Year in Myanmar and the last day of a 5-day holiday that is usually celebrated with visits to Buddhist temples and rowdy water throwing and partying in the streets. Pro-democracy activists called for the cancellation of the festivities this year and instead for people to focus on a campaign to restore democracy after the military's ouster of the elected government of Nobel laureate Aung San Suu Kyi, the report said. All Manipur Students' Union AMSU today observed the 41st Realization Day 2021. On the occasion, floral tributes were paid to the memorial site of AMSU leaders Posangbam Lukhoi alias Premananda and Huidrom Lokendra alias Lukhoi, located atop Pisum Chinga Ching in Imphal. Fencers of Kongman Fencing Academy were today felicitated at a function held at Kongman Fencing Hall in Kongman, Zone 4, Imphal East. The Fencing Academy has clinched the overall champion team title at the 16th Governors Cup State Level Fencing Championship 2021 held at the Sai Indoor Stadium in Takelpat from February 12 to 16. A one-day awareness program on prevention of alcoholism and substance abuse was organized by Outreach and Drop-In Center ODIC Nambol Foizing Makha Bishnupur District at NYWC Naurem under Bishnupur District. The program was held under the aegis of Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India. India reported 234,692 coronavirus disease cases today, the highest single-day spike so far since the pandemic broke out, according to Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. With this, India's COVID tally has shot up to 1,45,26,609 cases as per a media report. India also reported the highest ever single-day spike in COVID-related deaths with 1,341 fatalities. The death toll from the deadly infection stands at 1,73,152. Delhi and Maharashtra recorded the biggest single-day rise in coronavirus cases since the beginning of the pandemic in January 2020. In Manipur, the coronavirus caseload has reached 29,610 after the state registered 29 new COVID-19 positive cases in the last 24 hours, while 7 more people were recovered and discharged according to the latest update from Manipur Health Department. No COVID-19 related deaths were reported in the same hours. The death toll remains at 376 as per a release from the COVID-19 Command Control Room. The cumulative number of active cases in the state stands at 165, while the recovered cases are 29,069. The recovery rate has dropped to 98.17%.